Goldman dropping its recession call, saying the following: we no longer look for Eurozone recession, reflecting better growth momentum, sharply lower natural gas prices and earlier China reopening. We upgrade our Eurozone forecast notably above consensus. Maria Tadeo joins us now out of Europe in Brussels. Maria, where is this Eurozone optimism coming from?
Well, Jonathan, there is bullishness today and this morning. There is something in this environment. You talked about that note from Goldman Sachs. They dropped their recession call. They now see positive growth of 0.6% this year. They talk about this mild temperature. The reality is we were told this was going to be the winter from hell. I had a very nice 3-week break in Spain, and the temperatures were not freezing. We have seen actually better than expected weather. Gas prices have dropped massively. That removes a lot of the risk premium. And then, of course, the China reopening, which they say will be good for made in Europe. Funnily enough, we also had a note from Deutsche Bank almost an hour later that essentially said when you look at the PMIs, it looks like this recession can be averted, and also noted this China reopening also positive for the euro.